and then this beauty is going to be offered up for sale. If you act quickly, you could step in and choose the color flames. One more product to develop on it that I'm going to share with you in a minute. Paul Yaffe here, and I want to introduce you to our 2023 Road Glide 3. This is a freewheeler based trike. It's brand new from Harley Davidson. And we have slathered this beauty with a bunch of our cool Trike products to show them off. And I just want to walk you guys through all the cool stuff we have done to this bike so you know what you can do to your freewheeler or Road Glide 3 should the mood occur to you. So first thing we do is we put our rear end body kit on the freewheeler. This is our Pro Street kit. It allows, fits beautifully over the stock wheels. It also allows for wider wheels to be put on this thing. It has this beautiful roll pan that frames the exhaust pipes and also Frenches the license plate with hidden LEDs in it. This Pro Street kit has this really cool flow that flows right into the roll pan. We added 5 of our super bright Thunderbolt taillights on each side, which makes some really cool lighting. And that's this is the basis for customizing this bike, is this whole rear end kit that just completely transforms the look of any Road Glide 3 or freewheeler. We also added one of our Razorback stretch tanks. This is a solid steel tank, beautiful stretch, full capacity, comes with our beautiful Razorback dash and our pop-up cap. Because of the stretch tank, it changes the shape of the front of the seat, so we had this beautiful custom saddle produced for us from the folks at Guys Upholstery. Also in the rear, we also added a set of our Monster 45 exhaust. Those are our 4.5-inch billet tip performance exhaust. They give the bike a great sound and add some nice performance to it as well. To complete the seating position, we added a set of Monkey Sport bars to the bike, which give you 9 inches of pullback in a drag bar type look. So it looks very low and aggressive, but they're also super comfortable and really give you some nice pullback for just one-handed riding or long-distance cruises. We added a set of our power mirrors, which we really think go great with the Monkey Sport bars. And then another kit we make for this bike is we make a drop block kit for the Road Glide 3s. And what it does is it drops this fairing a full 3 inches and it removes this big ugly support bar that comes underneath the fairing from the factory. It cleans it up, drops the bike, gives it a super aggressive look. Also makes you able to see over the windshield much better, because normally these fairings, not only are they 2 inches tall, they're actually lifted an inch from the factory, which we don't understand at all. But in this dropped configuration, it just is a much more, has a very cool street rod slammed look to it. We complemented that drop block kit with the flare. This is a windshield from the people at Klock. This is their flare windshield, and this is the flare that they're actually speaking of. And this windshield does the most amazing thing. One, it looks really sexy on the fairing, but it also kicks the wind up when you're riding, so it takes all the buffeting off of your head. You literally can ride with a hat on forward with this thing because it sends the wind over your head, not into your eyes and the brim of your hat. We also added a full plethora of our LED lighting on the front of this bike. So we replaced the stock headlight with our insanely bright Crossfire headlights, 40% brighter than stock. We added a really cool set of tracer lights. These are daytime running lights, and they're also turn signals. So when they're not doing the daytime running light function, they're acting as turn signals. And if you look over here, these are our lightning bullets. Normally these bikes come with big Mickey Mouse ear turn signals, so we have our nice sleek little lightning bullets. They're direct bolt on, they just plug in. They work in series with the tracers, so they give you a nice signal function, but in a much more tidy, clean, custom looking package. We added one of our DEI Front Fenders. This is a full coverage fender, gives a really nice wrap, fits the tire really nice, looks super sexy. We added one of our 2-piece Swoop chin scoops. The reason we do this in a 2-piece is because it also allows room for our Mini Monkey engine guard, which again complements the handlebars. It has this kind of raked forward, super aggressive look that just adds a lot of style to this bike. I sent the bike over to our painter to have the new parts painted, the tank, the fender, the rear fenders and stuff, and I added ghosted flames to the bike. I really thought it would look cool with some flames on it. Unfortunately, if you've noticed in this video, they're a little too ghosted because you're probably going, where are the flames on this bike? You have to look really hard because they got really ghosted. Even in the sunlight, they just don't show up enough. So we're going to pop this bike apart and we're going to remove these flames and we're going to do some much brighter, probably silver dusted flames to give the bike a really cool kind of classic hot rod look, which this provides you an opportunity. If you're interested in this bike, we're going to sell it when we're done with it. There's one more product to develop on it that I'm going to share with you in a minute. And then this beauty is going to be offered up for sale. If you act quickly in the next, let's say, 2 weeks, you could step in and choose the color flames you want on the bike, because we're going to have it apart and we have to repaint it anyway. There's flames in the fairing, flames on the front fender, flames on the gas tank, flame on both rear fenders. You can totally add any flames you want, or if you wanted a different graphic or you wanted something else, we can custom paint it for you because, like I said, it's coming apart to brighten up with the flames that I originally wanted. So this bike in this condition, brand new, would normally list for over $55,000 with all the custom work we've done to it and the paint and the labor, custom seat, all the custom parts. We had a bike week special on this bike at $45,000, and I will honor that even with you choosing the custom paint. It's a brand new 2023 Road Glide 3. This bike retails for like 35 grand normally, just bone stock, and then you add tax and license and all that stuff to it, and it would be, you know, well into the $38,000 mark. I'm offering the bike at $45,000, which is about 10 grand off of all the custom products that we just did to it. Now, let me show you the new product we're going to develop. We've been working on this for a long time, and I got busy and it kind of got shelved. This is our whale tail. And the whale tail comes off of, we make a line of whale tail tour packs for tri-glides and for all the bagger models. So what I thought would be really cool is if we took one of these whale tails and we made it fit the freewheeler trunk. So we'll mold all this in and paint it so you'll have this really sexy wing sticking off the back of the freewheeler trunk. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm actually going to turn this into a product so all you other freewheeler owners can purchase this for your freewheeler and add it to your freewheeler custom project. But this bike is going to end up having the first one of these on it, and that will be included in the $45,000 price. So 2023 Freewheeler Road Glide 3, this badass baby is ready for sale, ready for the streets. If you're interested, call me up, hit me up at the shop, and or we'll put it online. If not, stay tuned. We're going to make a cool new whale tail for the freewheelers. And if you have a freewheeler and you're interested in adding some personal touches to it, this is most of the stuff we make for the freewheelers. You can check it all out at paulyafeoriginals.com. Just go up to the website, click Trike, and it'll show you everything we make for your model bike. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.